Welcome to your comprehensive guide to Google Workspace for Education. This video will walk you through all the essential tools you'll need to succeed in your studies. This video is designed to help you, the student, make the most of Google Workspace. We'll cover everything from email management to collaborative projects, so you can stay organized and productive. Google Workspace for Education is a suite of tools designed to enhance learning and collaboration. It includes Gmail, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Classroom, and Meet, all in one place. Workspace makes teamwork seamless and studying more efficient. It allows for easy file sharing, real-time collaboration, and centralized communication, all essential for academic success. Let's start with Gmail, your primary tool for communicating with teachers and classmates. It's not just for sending emails. You can also organize, filter, and prioritize messages. Keeping your inbox organized is key. You can create folders, label emails, and use filters to sort messages automatically. This will help you quickly find important updates and assignments. Labels are great for categorizing emails, while filters automate the process. Use labels for projects or classes and filters to automatically sort emails from specific teachers or groups. Next, let's explore Google Drive. This is where you'll store and access all your files. It's like a digital filing cabinet, but much more powerful and accessible from anywhere. Drive allows you to upload, store, and organize files with ease. You can also create folders to keep everything tidy and easily searchable. Drive's collaboration features are a game changer. You can share files with classmates, work on them simultaneously, and track changes. Google Docs is where you'll create essays, reports, and notes. It's a powerful word processor with features that make writing and editing a breeze. Starting a new document is simple. You can type, format, add images, and even insert tables. Docs also auto-saves, so you never lose your work. One of the best features is real-time collaboration. You can work with classmates on the same document and see each other's edits live. Version history also lets you revert to previous versions if needed. Google Sheets is for organizing data. Think of it as digital spreadsheets that can perform calculations, create charts, and analyze data. Sheets makes organizing data straightforward. You can enter data, create tables, and use sorting and filtering to find information quickly. Sheets also allows you to use formulas for calculations and create charts to visualize data. This makes data analysis much easier and more engaging. Google Slides is your tool for creating presentations. Whether it's for a class project or a group presentation, Slides helps you make it visually appealing and informative. Starting a presentation is easy. You can choose from various themes, add text and images, and organize your content across multiple slides. Slides supports multimedia integration, allowing you to add videos, audio clips, and animations. Presentation tools like presenter notes and laser pointers make delivering your presentation smooth. Google Classroom is your virtual classroom. This is where you'll access assignments, communicate with teachers, and submit your work. In Classroom, you'll find announcements, assignments, and course materials. Staying organized here will ensure you never miss a deadline. Classroom also allows you to communicate with your teachers and classmates through comments and private messages. This is great for asking questions and getting help. Google Meet is for virtual classes and meetings. It allows you to connect with teachers and classmates from anywhere. Joining a meet is simple. Once in, you can participate in discussions, share your screen, and collaborate in real time. Meet also has chat and other features like breakout rooms. Using these effectively will make your virtual meetings more productive and engaging. We've covered all the essential Google Workspace tools. Using these effectively will significantly improve your academic experience and productivity. The benefits of using Google Workspace for education are numerous. You'll stay organized, collaborate effectively, and communicate seamlessly, all leading to academic success. To maximize productivity, create a consistent organizational system, leverage collaboration features, and don't hesitate to explore and experiment with the various tools. Key applications: Gmail, for communication with teachers and classmates; Google Drive, cloud storage for assignments and files, accessible from any device; Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, collaborative tools for creating documents, spreadsheets, and presentations in real time; Google Meet, video conferencing for virtual classes, group projects, and meetings with teachers; Google Classroom, a virtual learning platform where teachers can create, distribute, and grade assignments; Google Calendar, for scheduling and managing assignments, deadlines, and online classes; Google Forms, creating surveys and quizzes; Google Chat, messaging for teams; Google Keep, digital notes. Benefits for students: collaboration. Workspace tools allow for real-time collaboration on projects, facilitating teamwork even when students are physically apart. Accessibility. Students can access their work and learning materials from any device with an internet connection, promoting flexibility and convenience. Organization. Tools like Google Calendar and Keep help students stay organized and manage their time effectively. Communication. Gmail, Meet, and Chat enable seamless communication with teachers and peers, fostering a sense of community and support. Integration. The various Workspace apps are integrated, making it easy to switch between tasks and access necessary resources. Google Workspace for Education. Specifically designed for educational institutions, this suite provides tools to enhance instructional impact and prepare students for the future. It includes features like classroom, assignments, and more, offering a comprehensive learning environment. Google Workspace for Education Fundamentals is available free of charge to qualified institutions. AI features. Gemini is an AI assistant available across Google Workspace for Education. It helps students save time, create learning experiences, and inspire fresh ideas. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.